of the video where we are going to show Peggy with her eyes unblurred, so viewer discretion is advised. If you guys want to look at Peggy, you can, but warning, bad luck or health problems could occur.
After Jane posted Peggy on social media, she started receiving hundreds of DMs from random people saying they've had negative experiences after viewing this doll.
Gara-gara nih video, tadi rasanya gue kemas-kemas di sini gak ada ngerinding sama sekali. Ini kok kerasa banget gitu. Tuh full tidak disensor. Oh iya ya, dari tadi disensor sih. Jadi sepotong gini aja tadi. Saya berani. Saya orang Indo. Halo semua, kembali lagi di channel Omyoji Team. Sudah 2 bulan berlalu sejak saya diserang followersnya Bang Ferry Irwandi. Tapi sekarang saya kembali. Yaps, betul, saya upgrade. Ada green screen belakangnya meskipun kameranya masih buruk ya. Sorry ya, kualitas nanti saya upgrade kembali. Sedikit bahas tentang kemarin, jadi nggak jadi ya saya kesananya, jadi udahlah mungkin Bang Ferry Irwandi dia udah fokus untuk nyerang yang lain, pembahasannya itu udah ini itu yang pastinya saya udah ngomong dengan dia mau dan dia yang cancel sendiri, dia yang tidak menepati janji padahal saya sudah membuat klarifikasinya, sedangkan saya sudah diserang dan masih ada videonya di IG Omyoji Team ini ya. Abang coba logikain namanya gak ada foto tatung kayaknya ya, ini ya banyak sih 95.000 sampai 389 yang like, tapi ya nggak ngaruh sih sebenarnya karena saya nggak terlalu peduli juga. Ini klarifikasinya itu udah saya buat juga tapi tidak diperdulikan. Buat yang mau cek klarifikasi silakan langsung di IG gua Rifatul Lauzan, dan ya di endingnya itu ada spoiler, cuma tidak di notice, tapi ya sudahlah. Kita fokus ke konten sekarang, back to the content. Oke, jadi kembali di konten Sam and Colby karena gue masih penasaran ya, karena this is konten luar negeri yang nggak banyak yang bahas, tapi saya suka untuk menonton dan mengelihatnya. Oke, mari kita lihat.
What's up guys, it's Sam and Colby.
In this video, we are going to be visiting 3 of the world's most haunted dolls, starting with Peggy the doll in Zak Bagans' Haunted Museum.
There is a demon attached to Peggy.
Then we're heading to Florida to revisit Robert the doll. He caused more than 10,000 people to write apology letters for either experiencing bad luck or health problems. You believe that Robert the doll cursed me?
Yeah, now listen, I think your ride's just starting.
And finally,
Oh, yang terakhir itu yang gua react ya videonya, jadi salah satu dari mereka itu ada yang kena kanker gara-gara foto sama yang boneka Robert itu.
we have the opportunity to come face to face with the real Annabelle doll, the most
Oke, sekarang boneka Annabelle.
haunted of them all.
For each of these dolls, we have a plan, and tonight, Zak Bagans gave us special permission to hold Peggy, something that only a few investigators in the world have been allowed to do, so let's get inside.
Oke, ke boneka yang namanya Peggy dulu.
Tonight, we've returned to the home of one of the world's largest collections of haunted objects, Zak Bagans' Haunted Museum. Zak Bagans is known as the lead investigator of the TV show Ghost Adventures, and tonight, we're gonna get to talk to him about one of the world's most haunted dolls, Peggy. But before we do that, we wanted to revisit some of the most haunted objects.
Agak creepy ya. Bentar. Oh, sebelum itu gua ingatin lagi teman-teman guys, ini video ini cuma untuk entertainment, jadi kalau yang nggak mau nonton ya jangan dipaksain, ini cuma untuk entertainment. Lanjut guys.
Of the museum, like the Dybbuk box and the Devil's Rocking Chair, but this time in total darkness and completely alone.
Here we go.
I don't know if you guys remember, but last time we were here, we made a light goal that you guys hit where we had to come back.
Oke, itu banyak sih. Gua karena udah lama nggak recording, lupa dengan kebiasaan gua. Oke. Setupnya udah aman sih, cuma harus ada dilindungin dikit lah. Kita panggil yang Abigail. Oke, buat ngelindungin dikit ya. Ini soalnya yang kita nonton kayaknya ini lebih banyak ya. Kalau yang gue rasain ya, boneka-bonekanya itu kayak kok connect semua gitu. Ya, oke, udah aman. Yuk lanjut.
Back, just Sam and I in night vision only, so here we are doing that as the first thing back. I can't even see any of the dolls behind me.
You can't see anything, which is crazy because our goal right now will be to try to find Peggy in the pitch black. This is what it looks like to us without the night vision. Literally nothing. How are we gonna
Jadi gelap. Pakai night vision mereka.
find Peggy? It's so scary.
Also, guys, this museum has so many rooms and different staircases up and down that I don't know how we're even gonna get to her.
Berdua kayaknya gue bakalan buat 2 part deh. Soalnya ini 1 jam 25 menit. Antara 2 part atau ya gue potong yang penting-penting aja. Tapi biasanya Simon Colby itu rugi kalau misalnya nggak full part ya.
Oh, I remember this room.
Literally all the haunted dolls besides Peggy are all in this area.
Oh my god, dude. This is fucking scary. Fuck!
What?
Look in there. What is that?
I don't
Is that something sitting up?
Oh, it is. Look on this night vision real quick.
Oh, that's so scary.
Oh my god,
She
it's
looks
a big
real.
stick.
Ya kalau gelap itu nyeremin sih. Ini sumpah ini nyeremin sih. Kalau gelap kayak gini, kalau kita nggak tahu kan bentuk boneka kayak ini nggak salah lihat gue.
In person, guys, it just looks like a shadow figure.
Look at all the creepy dolls. I can't see anything.
Oh my god. They say that one, Gretchen, is one of the most haunted dolls here besides Peggy.
That's impressive if you remember the name.
Oke, jadi yang itu katanya paling angker lah.
Dude, thank you.
Dude, yeah, get a close-up of this. That's who I saw from the other room. That's horrifying. Before we go any further, guys, you know this. You've been watching the channel for a long time. This is the Ovilus. I was holding it the wrong way because it's so dark in here. It's so funny.
Dude, that's amazing. That just shows how dark it is.
All right, here we go.
Oh my god.
Langsung kerekam.
That's calibration, right?
I think so. I'm just gonna blame it on
Calibration ya.
that. Let's go through here.
What's in here?
This is the demonic room. Annalise, right?
Oh, this is the German girl who got possessed. It says base.
But we have to go through that little hole and crawl. We can't even see where the hole is, besides on night vision.
Sorry, gue agak nggak tahu ini gue terlalu sensitif atau gimana. Cuma gara-gara ini video tadi rasanya gue kemas-kemas di sini nggak ada ngerinding sama sekali. Ini kok kerasa banget gitu.
So messed up.
You gotta crawl.
I actually can't see anything. I'm using the Ovilus light to see. Look at these pictures, dude.
Oh my god, they can't even see.
Kalau misalnya ada yang bisa ngelihat atau sekali lagi yang indigo, kalau misalnya enggak ya udah nggak perlu komen sih, tutup aja video ini. Coba kalian lihat ya, ada yang aneh nggak gitu. Tapi ini gue pakai green screen sih ya, jadi nggak terlalu atau gimana. Tapi liatin aja lah di muka gue atau gimana. Ada yang aneh nggak gitu? Mungkin ada sekilas sekelebat gitu lewat. Nah, kayak rame gitu anjir di kamar gue. Udah lama nggak record.
See, really?
This is like the room where they have her growling. Sing.
That's probably gonna piss off
Kalibrasi pakai nyanyi anjir.
the spirits.
Wait, this is genuinely horrifying. It says begin.
Yeah, get in there.
Sorry.
Ow. Dude, this is hard with a light.
Dude, it's a step.
No! Oh my god, it's so dark. I'm gonna get you.
I actually cannot see where this hole exits.
I love how the second we walk into this museum, we're already in pitch black. Like, this video has no chill. Like, it is at 100% the entire time. This is what we're looking at. Nothing, dude.
We're literally filled with the walls.
Nothing.
It says
Kalau
fate.
dari kamera ya.
Dude, someone is looking at you.
I already know it's that guy right there and I can't even see him.
Yeah, that motherfucker.
This guy follows you when you walk around.
Itu nyeramin sih.
Oh my god, dude!
Wait, what's touching me? Oh, fuck, it's a rope.
Bro, what is happening already? Like, why is everything so bad on the Ovilus? It's usually not like this.
I know. Let's keep going.
Unholy, malevolent church.
Correct. Gateway. Hop.
No!
Hop into another gateway.
I don't want to go into another gateway.
Gue masih belum paham ya gimana fungsi apa alat yang dia bawa itu.
And the creepiest part of Zach Bagans' museum is that he even has a collection of serial killer memorabilia that have seen some of the most unimaginable things. And last time, we never even investigated this area. Oh my god. So this is just a huge...
Ini gue nggak tahu kenapa kalau misalnya di video lain gue merasa biasa aja. Tapi kalau misalnya balik ke ruangan kayak gini, gue nggak tahu kayak rasa ada tekanan gitu. Nggak tahu ya kenapa.
collection. I think one of the largest collections of murderabilia from all these different serial killers. Ted Bundy stuff, John Wayne Gacy. Even if, let's say, random objects or dolls aren't haunted, things like serial killer objects, they have to be haunted. They've seen some traumatic events.
Kata dia itu apa? Kalau misalnya ada objek atau suatu benda dan itu berhubungan dengan ya orang kriminal lah ya. Kriminal yang bunuh atau pembunuhan berantai atau apapun itu pasti ada yang ngerasukin atau ya serem lah gitu.
For sure, they're just
Sebut aja kodam.
like from evil people themselves. So that energy, like look at this. This is like made out of Charles Manson's ashes, I think.
I think it's in his eyes. So creepy.
I'm almost glad that it is pitch black in here.
You know where
Itu bentar ya, gue kembali ya. Gak terlalu sih, cuma ya lumayan lah.
so creepy.
I'm almost glad that it is pitch black in here.
You know where we should go though? One of the scariest spots ever that we saw last time was in the basement.
Do not enter.
Oke, kita ke lantai paling bawah.
Do not enter. The guide is way off in the distance. There's like one person, one security guy here, and we're gonna go face the basement alone. This is where allegedly in this haunted museum.
What was that?
Gue nggak kedengeran sih pakai headphone ini.
What was that?
The door like creaked open.
What's in there? Well, I'm sorry. Is it like
Cauldron.
Jadi kebuka, kayak ada suara pintu kebuka gitu.
the cauldron?
But that heavy. Whoa.
There's a loud creak in here.
Heavy love.
I don't think we even heavy love. Wait,
Hey.
what the hell is that supposed to mean?
Hey, yo.
I know you got a heart on your ring shirt though.
Can you see it though?
Yeah, you can see the
Alright,
heart.
go check out showexplore.com.
Before this building was turned into a museum, the basement of the house was allegedly where actual rituals were held.
Jadi di basementnya itu atau di lantai paling bawah itu terus pernah diadakan kayak ritual gitu.
This is why many claim that it's the most haunted part of the
Dia kebanyakan kalau misalnya Amerika itu pasti satanik sih.
museum.
Oh god. I just have a bad feeling.
Yap, ada yang datang. Woo! Gas, lanjut.
About last time we were in this basement investigating, people got touched. I have a horrible cellar. It literally says cellar.
There's
like
no
that.
way. Wait, this is where like all the demonic rituals would happen too, right?
Literally, it's alleged that people would come down here in hoods and do rituals, and that's why this house alone, not even just the
Pokoknya ketika turun itu alatnya itu kayak ngedetek kayak ya ada aura yang kuat. Nah, mantap sih. Alat apa itu? Kayak magnetik atau nggak tahu saya.
museum's objects are haunted. When is the last time that me and you just did like a solo investigation?
Kembali lagi ke masalah gue kemarin. Sebenarnya gue itu penasaran juga kok misalnya diteliti dengan alat-alat kayak gini, kenapa nggak digabungin aja, nggak usah berdebat yang jatuhin satu sama lain. Ya udah gitu, agree for disagree. Sorry, malah ngebahas yang lainnya.
Like this.
I want to say like over a year and a couple months ago, like at the lighthouse or something, right?
Yeah, it's probably been like close to 2 years since like me and you have not only done an investigation but taken on literal demons.
Like the most haunted dolls in the world.
I mean, I'm actually kind of glad that we're not bringing
Sumpah ini kalau misalnya kalian Yang bisa ngerasain, coba lah ya tonton ini sumpah. Ini kayak kerajaannya anjing, gak ada yang bagus. Jelek semua, sumpah itu jelek semua sih di dalam sini. Gak ada yang bagus apa hantunya atau spirit lah ya nyebut kalau mereka sebut.
Random guests on this because like that would be kind of cruel and unusual.
No, okay, dude. Like, we came here, Stas gets her hair pulled. Then I go to Robert the Doll, and everybody knows what allegedly happened to me. And then we're gonna go to Annabelle later. Like, what the hell?
Pray for us, guys.
Not a good video. Not a good video for collabs. Speaking of, there's our collabs.
Come down, look at this corridor, and just like be super quiet. What the fuck was that?
Okay, ready, guys? Oh fuck.
Bro, it's nothing, dude.
Guys.
It's actually nothing.
It's literally nothing.
It's so scary. Like, I don't think I hope they understand now.
How many of you guys watching this would do this? I'm curious.
No,
Gua rasa aneh, kenapa ya kayak ada rasa was-was gitu. Oke. Aduh, ada lupa lagi.
I want to be doing this, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa! Did you just touch me?
No.
Are you okay? Are you fucking with me?
No.
Actually, because I just felt something touch my back.
I did.
Okay.
Is that a shadow figure in front of you?
Okay, you go fucking first. Witch!
It's a witch. You see that in the...
It's a witch. Jadi bisa kayak level-level gitu ya kalau misalnya lewati sesuatu gitu.
in the camera?
Is that even supposed
Anjir, yang ini kok juga nih yang witch nih kayaknya.
to be secret?
It's a secret witch. Isn't there usually like a spirit box that's going crazy around here too?
Everything was turned off. The entire museum was just
Udah ada
hours.
bentuknya kayak ya, rata-rata bintang ya. Kalau bintang itu nggak tahu ya kayak kok why? Kenapa bintang gitu kayak? Itu pasti satanik. Kenapa gitu? Kenapa harus logo bintang? Mereka buat.
Guys, this is where we did the last investigation last time. On the pentagram, you can't see it.
Pentagram bentuk bintang.
What?
Oh my god, this thing touched me. I was like, what the fuck is that? This is where Stas got her hair tugged.
Oke. Peggy.
In 2014, a haunted doll expert, Jane Harris, received a mysterious email asking her to take a cursed doll away from its owner. The email stated, "This doll ruined my life. I want to forget it ever existed, and I hope God protects you all." This doll was named Peggy. Jane took Peggy to a psychic where she realized they're not
Jadi yang cewek tadi itu sampai email mereka berdua kayak, aduh nyesel gitu. Pokoknya intinya nyesel lah gue. Aduh harusnya gue nggak ngelakuin itu gitu. Wow, tapi ya kayaknya gue setuju. Kuat sih.
might not just be one, but two entities haunting this doll.
I did this show in the very beginning of the museum. It was called Deadly Possessions. Out of all the items, the one that messed me up the most was Peggy.
After Jane posted Peggy on social media, she started receiving hundreds of DMs from random people saying they've had negative experiences after viewing this doll. Experiences like nosebleeds, headaches, rage, lightheadedness, and even an actual heart attack.
And she wrote about it in her book, this Peggy the Doll book, Jane Harris. Make a long story short, she brings Peggy in and had a hood over Peggy's face because at that time, Jane Harris knew that when she posted the picture of Peggy online, how many hundreds of people are just sending her messages about, once I looked into Peggy's eyes, I got severely sick. I started having heart problems. The camera that was filming the shot on Peggy, that completely died. And then I'd say like a few days later,
Did you hear that?
yeah.
Great. It's already starting.
What happened?
And then all these black flies, even Jane wrote about this, all these black flies started surrounding me, my face, my head, Jane Harris's face, her head, and then I had to stand up and I got really angry. Really.
Ya pokoknya orang-orang yang kayak membuat konten yang tentang apa boneka Peggy itu kayak ada ketekan atau sakit atau ya banyak hal buruk lah yang menimpa mereka gitu. Dan kayaknya gue setuju sih, ini gue cuma ngeriak aja. Ini sebenarnya ada ini, cuma udahlah biarin aja lah dulu. Gue coba netralin aja lah dulu. Aduh, agak berat sih sebenarnya ini. Tapi gue lanjut aja lah ya.
Aggravated, and I started kicking pieces of our set. I had to go outside, and I knew right then in that moment that Peggy is a very powerful item.
Our main goal, obviously.
Jadi sangat kuat gitu, kayak yang benda yang di dalam Peggy gitu, boneka itu sangat, iya, efeknya itu kayak mantul lah. Full hitam sih, gua kayaknya bisa mual sih kalau kayak gini anjir.
Obviously, is to find and investigate with Peggy. Try to figure out and remember where Peggy's exhibit is.
I know it's upstairs.
All right, let's go find a staircase.
You go that way, I go this way?
Yeah.
Ow! Who put that door there? Isn't there a thing that shakes right here?
That cross.
We'll shake back and forth.
Peggy is known to hate crosses. Do you have a cross necklace on? Kind of, like 3 crosses.
Fuck!
So that's also why people think she might be a demon.
Look how creepy these paintings are.
Pokoknya yang boneka Peggy itu sangat benci dengan apa yang salib tuh, kalung salib itu. Apalagi yang si satunya pakai 3 salib, mantap.
There is anyone here watching us, speaking with us through this obelisk? Can you give us a clear and obvious sign? We're on our way to Peggy the doll's room. Ooh, cook. Malicious.
Look malicious. In this door, there is the
Bentar, sorry ya guys, aduh, gua ngontrol diri gua dulu. Ini gua agak ketekan semua ini, nggak tahu kenapa ini. By the way, ini malam Jumat ya, ini udah hari Jumatnya gua nge-record. Oke. Bismillah, lanjut.
Devil's rocking chair, which we both sat on, and Sam experienced extreme diarrhea afterwards.
That is not true.
That was just from the Chipotle or what?
Yeah, that's Chipotle.
That was probably the worst SS method of my entire life.
Yeah, I still have nightmares about that. I was shaking genuinely for like 30 minutes after.
Yeah, it almost felt like we were paralyzed in the chair. All right, if there's anybody up here, you can come to this device right here and communicate with us. Let us know if you want us to be coming up here or not. We're here to learn about the haunted.
Gue nggak tahu kenapa ini kayak ada yang ngerangkul gua gitu anjir. Di sini gua fuck. Aduh. Ya semangat, setengah, minimal setengah lah. Minimal setengahnya lah.
Doll Peggy and what's attached to her? Is it 2 people? Is it just one demonic entity?
Zach Bagans seems to believe this is a demonic energy. For the last stop before Peggy, we wanted to visit the Dybbuk box, aka what many call the museum's most haunted object.
This Dybbuk box, which allegedly contains a demon inside, has been responsible for numerous physical attacks and bad luck. It even affected Post Malone with near-death experiences after he touched the box. Yeah, before we go...
Oh my, what the fuck?
What?
I don't know, I thought I saw something move over there. There's no
Kayak ada yang gerak gitu.
one here, right?
There's nobody here.
Hey, there's no one about Peggy, right? Oh, something just creaked right there too.
I don't like this anymore.
What the fuck was that? It's not just Peggy up here.
Oh, yeah.
Other spirits.
All of these rooms are super haunted.
I'm on edge now.
Ya katanya apa? Nggak cuma Peggy aja yang ada di situ. Semua kekuatan atau spirit lah mereka nyebutnya ya. Yap, itu seperti kerajaan. Kuat sekali. Ini sumpah nih, ini nggak tahu kenapa gue bisa yakinin di sana itu banyak sekali satanik goblok yang memuja setan sampai sekuat itu dikasih mereka tumbal dan lain-lain, makanya makin kuat. Saya pun sampai kayak gini pertama kali, padahal kemarin Conjuring biasa aja. Oh iya, Conjuring baik ya, lupa gue. Lanjut.
Okay, so I don't know if we can actually get into the room where the Dybbuk box is. Let's find out. Oh, it's up!
Oh iya, kalau misalnya ada yang ingat yang di Conjuring itu Abigail. Sekarang terdiam. Gak ada apa-apanya anjir.
Whoa. Something just clicked over here too. Right as you opened that door. So this Dybbuk box said to give people extreme bad luck. Should we even do this right before Peggy?
I mean, we've already made it this far. You know what's crazy too is this is the story.
Jadi setiap ruangan yang mereka datangin satu persatu, itu selalu ada kayak ya ada kekuatan baru, terus kayak pindah tempat ada lagi, pindah ke tempat ada lagi, pindah ke tempat ada lagi gitu, selalu kayak gitu. Jadi ya ini udah kayak kerajaan kalau menurut gua ya.
If you guys remember of Post Malone and Zach Bagans experiencing something insane here, and then Post Malone had extreme bad luck after. I don't like this at all, dude. It's hot in here.
Oh, it's thick. There's the divot.
Apa itu? Kalau yang dalam enggak sih, enggak terlalu kuat sih. Enggak terlalu kuat.
Alright, if there's anybody here in the divot box room that wants to talk to us or will join us over in Peggy's room, let us know. Give us an obvious sign or move a door just like you had.
Can you make a little tap or creak like you just
Tadi gue sekilas itu kayak yang dikit.
did before? Was that you? You know what is really scary about this room? Last time we were here for an investigation, we both cut off our hair and gave it
Kata dia, memang udah pernah kesini sama Colby-nya, terus malah rambut diletakin situ. Itu orang Indo sih malah ini nggak bakalan datang, anjir. Emang orang luar negeri emang kayak gini ya.
as an offering.
So whatever's here probably does remember us.
I mean, we left literally. What?
There's like a humming or something like that right behind you. Did you hear that?
No.
Am I going?
What is that?
What the fuck? What?
Oke, itu ada yang jalan tuh.
Am I going crazy? Did I not just hear like literal like humming, like deep voice? We're literally in pitch black. Like there's a little like blue light over there, but that's it. And then we have to deal with all these sounds. Like we have no idea what's like next to us.
I don't want to be in here anymore.
All right, let's go.
Nah, yang tadi, cuma itu agak kuat ya. Itu cuma kayak
Sounds like we have no idea what's like next to
boneka
us.
I
aja.
don't want to be in here anymore.
All right, let's go.
Nah ini, cuma ini ada nih, ini harusnya ada nih, bukan di sini, ya di sini, ini. Dia ternyata agak gede sih. Oh, pantes. Itu yang kuat, yang ikutin mereka kayaknya bakalan nempel sih. Oke, ke Peggy Rose.
There is a demon attached to Peggy, and that is not any exaggeration whatsoever. Like, we literally every day have people that we have to take out of the museum. You know, they've fainted, they've had to go in ambulances. This girl was in the lobby, and her head contorted like this and started puking everywhere. And
Oh, jadi kayak ada kerongsokan.
there was a handprint on her neck.
Wow, sampai ada tangan gini. Bekas tangan gitu. Tapi gua boleh akui kuat si kampret. Yang gue penasaran itu kok bagaimana dia bisa kuat.
Bruised fingerprints on her neck. It is like one of the most terrifying things that I've ever seen physically. But lately, there's been like a lot of people being affected by Peggy. They're getting possessed and they're having illnesses. And this whole illness stuff is getting crazier with Peggy. It's kind of a newer thing.
Oh ya, by the way, sekarang itu ada anime yang itu adalah animenya itu tentang dokter. Tapi dokternya itu kayak Sherlock Holmes dan itu kayak apa? FYI aja ya untuk for your information. Jadi dokter yang kayak Sherlock Holmes. Jadi kalau misalnya yang ada kayak gini-gini itu dia itu nemuin penyakit yang ternyata belum diketahui dan dia bacanya ternyata ada penyakitnya. Cuma bisa dibongkar gitu. Nah, gue malah asik ngomong yang kayak gitu. Jadi bisa dilogikain itu lebih asik. Gak tahu itu cuma penyakit yang belum ditemuin aja gitu kan. Tapi bisa ada juga sih ya Ya udahlah, memang hal gitu yang ngaruhnya.
that I'm experiencing myself. I'm gonna get a little personal here. I just started thinking I was like dying from something. I didn't talk to anybody. I got scared. I thought I was having like medical problems. I was freaking the fuck out, dude. Just today, this mother and her daughter came to the museum. They came back because her husband started taunting and provoking Peggy the last time they were here. What? Did you
Oh, jadi kayak ngigau gitu, ngigau dan terus kayak ya ketakutan lah gitu. Terus ada kayak sebutin nama Peggy atau gimana. Wow.
do that?
No, I'm just
What was
saying.
that look to him?
He never provokes.
No,
Sam doesn't
I
provoke.
would never
Sam,
do such a
well, what was that look then?
I don't know.
Did you provoke her one time? Tell me, Colby.
He did.
He did?
What?
Are you serious?
Yeah, come on.
What? You're throwing me under the bus right now.
You provoked Peggy?
No, but what would happen to someone if, let's say, they do provoke her?
Oh my gosh, now he's asking for himself.
Oh, jadi dia nanya, dia itu kayak memprovokasi gitu, yang tadi itu gue sampai lupa namanya, anjir siapa tuh namanya. Kayak Rabu Bera gitu, dia kayak memprovokasi, kayak nantang gitu. Dan katanya, wah serius lu nantang, aduh mampus hancur deh lo, kayak gitulah.
You are so guilty right now. Let me just tell you
Lu sangat berdosa ngelakuin itu katanya.
this. So today, real quick, they came back to kind of get closure and face Peggy because of what happened to her husband. And it was very severe. Like, he had a very bad attachment. And when he went home, him and his wife started seeing a figure at the foot of their bed, hearing scratching, and he became very ill, got very sick. You have to respect the power of Peggy. How are these items so powerful? Like, is there really a demon inside of the doll? This is no fucking joke, okay? I'm telling you that.
Hello, Peggy. We come here with respect. We're only here to learn more about your story.
Hello, Peggy. Come here with respect.
Oh, dia datang ke tempatnya terus kayak cuma mau sharing aja gitu. Emang bisa.
We're literally right in front.
Oh anjir. Ini untuk anak buahnya aja ini yang kecil-kecil ini nih. Jadi kuatnya udah minta ampun, apalagi aduh, siapa yang umpan ini?
Oh my god. I genuinely feel like a pressure on my chest. Like almost like a molecular sick.
Nah, tuh kan dia merasa kayak berat gitu, ada tekanan gitu di sininya, dia di bahunya gitu. Dan gue udah ngerasain duluan anjir.
Out of breath. Anyway, just so you guys don't have to look at her while we do this, we're going to show you this perspective.
Peggy, if you're around, or if there's an entity in here, you can use this device I'm holding to communicate if you want to tell us anything before we start the investigation. Again, we come here with respect.
Oke guys, fix, gue bakal buatnya per part. Gak mampu gue anjir, ini udah setengah jam sih.
Yeah, you can't see her face or her eyes, luckily. We just see the outline of the big box that she's in. Peggy, all we want is the truth. So we're gonna come back up here with some equipment and the key, and we are gonna unlock this exhibit and take you out.
Mau bawa keluar, maksudnya? Mau ngebuka dan bawa keluar.
Have you done any sort of investigation with her actually holding the doll?
I haven't.
Oh.
Oh, ada gak gitu yang sambil pegang Peggy gitu, boneka Peggy.
I'm gonna let you guys pop that cherry.
Oh, let's go.
But I will say, I've seen people provoke and taunt Peggy, and I see the aftermath of what happens. And you're telling me you did that, right,
No,
Sam?
I'm not saying that.
Yes, you did. Don't lie.
Saya penyakit sih.
Don't
Bener-bener, jadi yang gini nih. Kalau kata bahasa kita itu takabur anjir.
lie. And you know what? You can open the case and hold her and maybe apologize.
Might need to do that.
Oh, jadi mau minta maaf. Gue sih nggak bakal ngelakuin sih kalau minta maaf gitu. Berapa? Kita manusia, kita makhluk yang sempurna. Berapa takut? Ya gue sekarang ada gak ngerasa sih, cuma bukan takut. Cuma kayak dikacau aja gitu, nggak pedulin sih. Ini gue efek gue lapar mulu.
We got equipment. They just gave us the key. Here we go. I don't know if I'm gonna look yet. Hi Peggy, we're back.
Oke, jadi ini udah pakai penerangan yang agak terang ya ini.
We're going to do a little investigation because we just want to learn your story.
Hi, Peggy. We come here with the utmost respect, and we just want to learn more about your story.
Oke, yang pastinya yang gue tangkap, Peggy sekarang sangat tidak senang.
And hope you will talk to us today. Should I close the door?
Sure.
What if we just got locked in here?
Oh my god. What's crazy is there's so many other scary ass dolls too. Honestly, they look scarier than Peggy itself.
Yeah, they do. Oh.
Whoa!
Wow, ada yang gerak.
The fuck was that?
Why did that shut so fast?
I don't know. Well,
I swear to God.
does it auto shut?
Maybe. Wait, let me see. Probably, right? Okay, maybe my...
Ini gue jadi sensitif ini. Kayak ada getaran dikit gue, fuck.
Backpack? Okay.
Oh, okay.
I think my backpack was on this, and then I walked this way.
Obviously, guys, as you can tell, we're on edge.
Wait.
Do you really want to open the case and hold her? Because I do not let people do that. I ain't doing that for just this camera stuff. If you guys want to do it, you guys came to my museum before and I had mad respect for you guys. I think you guys do excellent investigations. The way that you did the investigation at the museum was just supreme. And if anybody was to do this, I would want you guys to do it. I just believe that could be a lot easier.
Oke, jadi dibolehin lah ya kepada orang yang punya museumnya buat ngelakuin yang harusnya itu nggak dibolehin gitu. Kayak megang dan lain-lain. Luarin boneka Peggy.
For an attachment on you guys.
And you believe that can happen through a screen as well?
That's the weird
By the way, bentuknya nggak kayak gitu sih. Lebih serem harusnya.
phenomenon. When I would edit Demon House and things like this, things would happen to not only me, but to my editors, not only the editors, but news stations that were running Demon House stuff would then contact me. I think it was NBC here. They said their entire operating room of editing equipment, everything went down.
The really interesting but horrifying part about Peggy
Oh, jadi kalau misalnya ada kayak NBC itu kan kalau nggak salah kayak TV One di Amerika gitu ya. Pokoknya editor-editor yang edit videonya itu selalu kayak ya ditemanin ngeditnya mungkin kayak rasa takut tercekam gitu. Meskipun kita tidak takut sebenarnya, lagi saya.
is she's so powerful that she can even haunt those that look her in the eyes through a screen. Yes, that means all of you guys watching at home, if you look Peggy in the eyes, you could be affected by her.
Oh, jadi kalau misalnya ada yang ngelihat boneka Peggy dan di mata tadi udah sih. Gue udah terasa sih. Fuck. Ya udahlah, lanjut.
Little girl has a pure soul.
Gue greget.
Right? That demon wants that pure soul. So that demon wants to inject itself into the girl.
Alright guys, this
Kok cewek?
is the part of the video where we are going to show Peggy with her eyes unblurred, so viewer discretion is advised. If you guys want to look at Peggy, you can, but warning, bad luck or health problems could occur.
Oh, jadi dia ngingatin dulu kalau misalnya kalian nonton ini dan melihat matanya, hati-hati katanya. Mungkin bisa jadi sial atau ya sakit atau gimana. Saya berani. Ayo guys.
I'm warning you now,
Gue berani.
it's completely up to you.
Meskipun gue bukan cuma ngeliat lagi dia di sini anjing. Tuh, tahu gue dari tadi ngeliatin gue. Asu. Gue greget.
If you want to look, but should we look for the first time right now?
Peggy eyes will be fully visible for the rest of the video. I'm okay with that. Hati-hati, jadi mata boneka Peggy itu full tidak disensor. Oh iya ya, dari tadi disensor sih. Jadi sepotong gini aja tadi. Saya berani. Saya orang Indo. Ntar ya kita cek. Oke.
Oh my god. You got chills, man, for sure.
I mean, she definitely has like an energy to her.
Maybe we should do the writing planchette first and then open her up.
Let's do it.
We have writing planchette right here. We have our EMF rope now on, and that will detect
Oke, jadi alatnya sangat lengkap ya. Oke.
all around
Ini kayak kunti anjing.
us if there's any EMF energy going off, which right now there is something going off on one of these dolls. Holy shit.
Oh, on just the doll?
Boom. For some reason, this specific doll is making it go off.
When I went up there the other day, I said, Peggy, can you tell us your name? She goes, Lily. And Lily is the doll on the bottom floor that is looking up to her. And there was something that
Oh, ada boneka juga sama Lily yang mata kepalanya itu ke samping gitu. Ada yang mau diskusi nanti dulu.
happened with Lily a few months ago that is like it's a lot. They'll just say somebody that was there during a very scary event is no longer here.
Oh, wow.
The guides here at the museum got us this. This is what they call a dead bell. It detects EMF energy, and if there's a major spike, it will ring the dead bell. So we're gonna put this bell right in front of Peggy. So if for some reason she's active, she'll do that.
Tonight, our goal is to figure out what truly
Iya, ya untuk apa kayak resepsionis gitulah.
haunts Peggy, because when Zach Bagans encountered Peggy for the first time, he was swarmed by flies, which is a sign of demonic infestation. And more importantly, we want to find out what Peggy or
Oh, jadi kayak kalau misalnya ada kayak itu kan nyamuk terus lalat hitam gitu. Kalau misalnya banyak di kisaran dia itu kata salah satu ada yang datang katanya demonic.
the entities that haunt her want to tell the world. We're trying to figure out what Peggy is. Like a troubled little girl, or is it like a demonic entity who's taking over?
Oh, jadi itu adalah cewek di dalamnya itu atau sebuah iblis gitu katanya. Bam! Iblis lanjir.
It's like a vessel.
Kind of like what Zach was saying. Some believe there are multiple spirits in Peggy. Some believe
Oh, gabungan sih.
Peggy is just a human spirit that's
Nggak jadi gabungan anjir.
angry. Most believe Peggy is a demon. Peggy, if you want to tell us, now is your chance.
Or if there's any other entities in here that can hear us, feel free to come through as well. Obviously, it looks like something's going crazy with this doll.
Definitely might be other energies in this room with us.
Oke, jadi Peggy itu udah dengar semua dan ada aktivitas lah. Dan lebih banyak aktivitas di dalam ruangan itu. Oke. Menit 24.24. Kita akan ngelanjutin. Kita back to screen, full screen dulu ya, guys. Oke, halo guys. Nah, jadi ini agak full screen dan gue nggak ngilangin backgroundnya. Biar ada yang bisa ngelihat juga. Karena kan kalau backgroundnya hilang, nggak jelas jauh juga jadinya. Jadi teman-teman yang tadi itu Peggy itu bonekanya bentar gue sambil buka aja lah kayaknya. Kayaknya dia dari tadi itu sebenarnya kayak mau berinteraksi gitu. Cuma gue ini gue nggak tahu nih gue bakal mampu atau enggak ya. Aduh. Bismillah lah. Ini agak susah sih. Cuma Oke, jadi kan mereka bilang itu kayak kalau misalnya melihat mata Peggy itu bakal ngalamin hal-hal tertentu. Oke, let's see. Oke, gue kecilin dikit biar nggak terlalu fokus ke muka Peggy-nya. Oke. Peggy. Kayaknya gue gak bakalan mampu kalau misalnya masukin ke badan gue dikit. Soalnya dia bisa diskusi nggak ya? Dia pakai bahasa Inggris sih sebenarnya. Cuma gue minta bantu yang bisa translatein lah. Coba pakai apa? Batin aja lah komunikasinya. Biar enak. Oke, Peggy. What is wrong with you, Peggy? Nih, mau nggak mau gue pakai per part yang lain dulu nih. Ini gue. Oke. Ini udah agak ringan ya, lebih enak daripada tadi. Nggak tahu kenapa. Oke, dia cuma mau diskusi aja, katanya, halo semua, gua Peggy. Ya, gua banyak membuat orang sial, katanya. Dan juga buat kalian yang nonton ini, hati-hati, katanya. Bentar, harusnya gue yang hati-hati. Gue yang pertama, anjir. Tapi gue nggak takut. I have God. God Allah. Oke, jadi dia itu banyak tumbal yang dikasihin dia. Sebenarnya itu awalnya itu dari cewek sebenarnya, dari aslinya ya. Terus tiba-tiba nggak tahu ada orang gitu kayak melakukan ritual, terus digantikan oleh demon kayak iblis gitu, kayak setan atau gimana. Dan kebanyakan orang yang di sana yang melakukan ritual itu kayak menyalahgunakan kekuatan atau kayak numbalin atau kayak gimana. Jadi istilahnya, wah ini kebukti nih, banyak nih yang sial nih katanya. Boleh lah. Jadi istilahnya kayak ada orang ngomporin gitu, lu berani gak? Lu tahu kan orang Amerika itu kan kayak ya bodo amat, gue sih berani, bukan orang Indo kan, gue gak berani, gue gak mau kabur gitu kan. Tapi kalau orang Amerika kan, jadi dari mulut ke mulut, jadi energinya itu makin kuat. Tambah lagi orang makin percaya kan, dari pada saat orang-orang tiba-tiba sakit, tiba-tiba sial, tiba-tiba ini itu, yang dimana energi negatif Peggy itu menjadi kuat dan malah lebih parah lagi dari Conjuring, karena Conjuring itu ya kebanyakan malah yang bagus aja. Jadi ya katanya buat Sam dan Colby, sebenarnya gue belum maafin lu pada, katanya, cuma lu lihat aja lah katanya, karena ini kan 1 bulan yang lalu ya, kita nggak tahu lah apa yang bakalan terjadi atau gimana, apakah dia bakalan buka omong atau gimana. Yang pastinya ada mau ngasih sial lah katanya. Tapi dia suka katanya. Dia suka ketika diupload lagi. Karena kan dia udah berapa kali kan ke museum ini katanya. Karena katanya dia bisa mendapatkan energi yang lebih. Kayak misalnya ada orang-orang yang menontonnya. Jadi istilah kayak modern gitu. Maksud modern itu ya dari video dia bisa ngambil energi orang yang percaya gitu, apalagi orang yang ketakutan gitu. Jadi makin kuat dan ya keren sih. Oke. Ya kurang lebih kayak gitulah. Cuma sekarang dia udah nggak terlalu aktif lagi sih. Di sini dia udah kayak ya udah eta. Oke guys, ini untuk part 1-nya udah selesai. Kita bakalan lanjut part 2 lagi di menit 24 kita bakalan recording. Mungkin gue coba mungkin siang aja atau tapi sih agak bising ya ini. Pokoknya ini udah pukul jam 12:47 tanggal 31 malam Jumat. Oke. See you guys, thank you for watching. Terima kasih. Sekali lagi disclaimer, ini untuk entertainment aja. Kalau misalnya kalian suka dan mungkin ada rekomendasi dari kalian, bang coba deh kayak gini dong bang, ini silakan komen aja. Nanti gue coba nge-react-nya dan gue coba membuat konklusi atau sesuatu yang mungkin dibilangin dalam sesuatu gimana. Tapi ingat, ini hanya entertainment. Kalau kalian senang, ya udah tonton terus. Kalau misalnya enggak, ya udah nggak usah ngebacet terus nge komen, buat apa, ini bukan pasar kalian, ya udahlah gitu. Oke, thank you guys, kita bakalan ketemu lagi di part selanjutnya. Om Yoshi.